Coming up today on More Local, Las Vegas. What's the secret to looking and feeling your best after age 35? Meet the authors who wrote a book with the answers to a more youthful you. Las Vegas's favorite lifestyle and entertainment show. More starts now.
Well, what's the secret to looking and feeling your best after age 35? That's what the book Total Body Beautiful is all about. Luckily, we have 3 authors and experts here to tell us more. Joining us is Desi Bartlett, Nicole, Stuart, and Andrea Orbeck. Thanks for being here, guys. You know, you guys are really celebrity experts and trainers. I mean, everybody from Heidi Klum, Ashley Tisdale, Kate Hudson wrote the foreword to your book. So it's so exciting to have you guys here together. Let's start with you, Desi. Maybe could you just tell us overall what the book's really about and why you guys decided to join forces like the Avengers?
I love that, because we feel like superheroes. So, Mike, we really believe in empowering women from the inside out. And it's our pleasure and our joy to offer all of our secrets and tips that we share with our celebs, with every woman everywhere.
Okay, so now let me just ask you this, because I know a lot of people at home are thinking, well, you know, Heidi Klum, she's got those jeans. You know, Kate Hudson's got the Goldie Hawn jeans. So, you know, tell us, you know, Andrea, can we all really achieve this, or are those people superhuman?
I would say it's a twofold answer. Yes, they are superhuman, but we can always be the best that we can be. So if we are at our leanest self and we're radiant from good nutrition and good practices with health and fitness, and we have great muscle tone, you're going to be happy with the body that...
Talk about this, Nicole. I think, to me, everybody at home really wants to distill some of your tips in this whole book and learn some stuff right now. So let's start with you, Nicole. Let's start. What's your tip you have for everybody at home?
My tip, I'm a Pilates expert, right? So my main thing would be to stay as flexible and limber as possible, because as we get older, our body stiffens up, and it's better to start now while you're in your young 30s than wait until you get to 50s and 60s and then try to catch up. It's so much better to start now. So Pilates, yoga, any type of form of exercise. Pilates always said you're only as young as your spine.
Okay, see, I like that. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, only at 31, but I need to get on this ASAP. Do we have a stretch? Do you have a stretch for us or not?
Sure. I mean, yeah, there's the roll-up. It's very basic, but what you do is you lay backwards on your back, you come forward, tuck your chin to your chest, and reach forward, and then slowly roll down, articulating your spine, one vertebrae at a time. So, and there's different levels to do that. So if you're not as advanced, you can go back a little and then start there.
Gotcha. All right, I love it. Okay, let's move on down the line. By the way, she's from Las Vegas native, guys, from Valley. All right, Andrea, let's go with you. What do you have for us tip-wise?
I would advocate a squat, because it's a compound muscle. It works everything, the quads, the glutes, the spine and posture, holding the weight up nice and tall, widen your base. If you're new to it, start to explore how low you can go, and as you start to feel more strength and adaptation to the movement, you get deeper, you do a little pause, you feel the glutes and the quads, and then you stand up. If you incorporate it more and more into your system, you're going to have a really strong spine and glutes, all the things that not only look good, but they get you like into...
She was a member of the national Canadian bobsled team, ladies and gentlemen, so she definitely isn't claustrophobic. We know that. Now, Desi, lastly with you, you know, you really talk about inner joy with a lot of your practices and you know, kind of emanating that out throughout some movement. So show us what you have for us for a tip.
So we wrote this book during COVID, and we really focus on the importance of letting go of stress and finding that inner joy. And so one of the ways that I like to do that is with deep breathing, and we simply close the eyes and find center. But at the same time, I want to challenge your body a little bit, right? Because we all want to look and feel great. Mike, can I invite you to stand next to me?
Okay.
And then we're going to loop arms here. Okay. You're going to take your right foot up, and I'm going to take my left foot up into tree.
Tree.
Yeah.
My pants are going to be screwed for the rest of the show, Desi, just to let you know.
And I'd love for you to just slow your breath down.
Are we on live TV still?
So if we can find
that I don't even know where we are.
I love it. If we can find our balance in moments of stress or challenge.
Is it just you or me, or do you feel like we're like in a forest in Fiji?
Right. That's just how I envision it. Feel the breeze through your hair. You can open your eyes and release the foot.
Listen,
good.
That was phenomenal. Listen, if it's good enough for Kate Hudson, Heidi Klum, Ashley Tisdale, Anna Faris, all the greats. It's good enough for me, guys. Thank you so much. Go to Amazon, get Total Body Beautiful. You're going to love it. Jason, was I here? Was I still in Henderson, Nevada, or was I in the forest?
I felt you guys in Fiji. I felt it, yeah.
Gotcha.
But I also know that that's the first time you've probably been that close to a woman in about a month.
Oh.
Yeah, so that was good. It was
wow. Just, you're my brother, so you can say that.